Hey, another winner of Aliwin Kita. Here's 100 pesos gift certificate from McDonald's to you here.
Thank you, sir.
Manood kayo.
Manood kayo ng Aliwin Kita.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, sir.
Hey, we're here at Cebu and somebody won 100 pesos gift certificate from McDonald's. Anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Manood kita.
Aliwin Kita.
Aliwin kita.
Yes!
Yeah!
See you! Bye! Aliwin Kita.
Abay,
Panoorin mo, Aliwin Kita.
panoorin nyo ko, Aliwin daw tayo na sir.
Hindi, yun, ano yung pangalan yun? Pangalan, Aliwin Kita.
Aliwin kita. Alright, rock and roll.
Ayun, panalo siya 200 pesos gift certificate sa McDonald's. Wala kang McDonald's dito.
Wala naman po. Bigay ko po sa kakalaran.
Bibigay nyo.
Sir, by the way sir, I'm one of the local, I am a member of BICC, Bantayan Island Content Creator. If you have a time sir, we can visit today.
Sige, dito lang kami sa
saan
tayo.
siya?
Sa tayo.
Panyang.
Welcome to Bantayan sir.
Sige.
Salamat ha, salamat.
Okay.
Salamat.
McDonald's. We got a giveaway, 1,500 worth at a Japanese restaurant here at Boteju. It's in SM Mall, Magamit pa. But we have a lucky winner here. Here, why are you watching Aliwin Kita?
Please follow and watch Aliwin Kita. Thank you very much.
Boteju.
Thank you.
Thank you.